thought the day couldn't get any better. Aprilia bring out the RS660 trophy bikes. Oh, this is going to be a good day. Not one, not two, but the full. So we thought we'd best have a better look at the 660 race bike. Where do I start? Suspension, front and rear, you've got the rear sets, full race exhaust system, brake lever guards, dash wise, got the pit lane limiter, this is the actual starter button. So turn you around this end, you've got on the back of the switchgear, you can play with the traction on the move, which is pretty cool. Quick shifter, as you'd expect, in race shift. What a great little bike. I wish I was younger, thinner and faster. So we're just about to head out on the Trophy 660 bike. Taiwan Mazan, we're on race shift. I've got a quick shifter but no blipper, which is because that's still in development. It's a prototype model, but this is going to be fun. So, just got the opportunity to ride the 660 race bike. Oh, it's a bike I've been wanting to ride since I rode the road version. As you can see, we've got the full race exhaust, the all-in suspension, race tyres, engine protection, the rear sets, the quick shifter, the different clocks, the engine brake guards, the different buttons. We can change the traction on the move. Just getting dialed in, you just don't have to shut off or anything, just carry massive corner speed. Brake as late as you dare. Just enjoy it. You get on the power so early, you forget, because I've not ridden one of these bikes for a while. It took a bit of recalibration, but thoroughly enjoyable. One of these around Cadwell Park would be awesome. Or even better, when we get the TT going, fingers crossed we can have a proper go. But as a first impression, I loved it. I wish I was younger.
Siamo divertiti però, Gira comunque, vero? Gira bene. Ma cambia dalla stradale molto, da standard. La sedia che leggerina. Però il frenate che è strano,